Before we begin, just take a gentle moment to arrive here. In the sacred tradition, certain mantras carry a unique power to gently support us through different phases of life. When they are approached, not just with repetition, but with awareness, feeling, and trust, they begin to work at a deeper level. The Lalitha Sahasranama is one such sacred treasure. It is not just a collection of names, but a living field of grace. In this practice, you're not trying to force change. You are simply allowing the inner space to open, and the grace of the Divine Mother to gently guide that shift. So for these few moments, just relax, stay open, and allow that experience to unfold. Sit comfortably, gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in. And slowly exhale. Again, breathe in deeply and let go. One more time, just allowing the body to settle. There is nowhere you need to go, nothing you need to do. This time is just for you. Bring your awareness to your body. Relax your face, your shoulders, your chest. Let your breath become natural. With every exhale, feel the body becoming lighter, as if you're slowly releasing the weight you've been carrying. Now, gently bring your awareness inward. Notice your thoughts without trying to stop them. And now, imagine you are stepping away from all of it. All worries, all struggles, and all the noise slowly fading. You're now entering a subtle inner space. A space that exists within you. In the ancient tradition, This is known as Chitakasha, the inner sky of consciousness. A space of stillness, of presence, of quiet power. In this Chitakasha, there is a soft, divine light, gentle, soothing, you are no longer in the outer world. You are in a deeper, sacred space. Feel yourself expanding. As if you are part of this vast inner sky. Here, there is no pressure, no urgency, only presence. Now, within this gentle space, feel the presence of the Divine Mother. Not as a form you must imagine perfectly, but as a living presence of warmth, of compassion, of unconditional acceptance. As if you are resting in her presence, held, supported, completely safe. There is nothing you need to prove, nothing you need to fix. You are simply held. And now, in this sacred Chitakasha, become aware of a powerful, gentle presence, Mahaganesha, the remover of obstacles. Feel his presence. Calm, strong, compassionate. Gently bring your awareness to the subtle vibration within. And softly, within yourself, repeat this sacred name. Maha Ganesha Nirbhinna Vigna Yantra Praharshita. Maha Ganesha Nirbhinna Vigna Yantra Praharshita. Again. Maha Ganesha Nirbhinna Vigna Yantra Praharshita. Maha Ganesha Nirbhinna Vigna Yantra Praharshita. One more time, with full awareness. Maha Ganesha Nirbhinna Vigna Yantra Praharshita. Now, continue to repeat this silently within yourself at your own gentle rhythm. Let the sound and the feeling merge together. Just gently notice how it feels as these inner obstacles begin to loosen. As if something heavy is being lifted. Allow yourself to feel even a slight sense of relief, a lightness. You don't need to imagine strongly. Just notice whatever is already shifting within you. And remember, this sacred vibration arises from the grace of Divine Mother, who works through every force of creation, guiding, protecting, transforming. You are not doing this alone. Her presence is already within you. Now, as this inner space opens, just gently allow yourself to see your life free from this burden. See yourself moving with clarity, with lightness. Things that once felt blocked, now flowing naturally. Now, don't just see it, feel it. How does it feel when things begin to move again? That sense of ease, that quiet confidence, allow that feeling to gently arise within you. Even if it is very subtle, that is enough. And now, in this sacred Chitakasha, take a moment to feel gratitude. Gratitude to the Divine Mother, the Supreme Consciousness. Not just as words, but as a feeling from within, as if something has already shifted. Something has already been received. Let that gratitude gently fill your heart. No effort, just a quiet inner thankfulness. Now, slowly bring your awareness back to your breath. To your body. Become aware of your surroundings. And when you're ready, softly rub your palms together, creating a gentle warmth. And slowly place your palms over your closed eyes. Feel that warmth soothing your eyes, your mind. Gently open your eyes into your palms and slowly lower your hands. This is a simple practice. If you can return to this Chitakasha each day for the next 41 days with patience, with sincerity, and with complete trust in the Divine Mother, and just observe how life begins to shift from within.